How to delete Instagram account permanently. Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. We'll start off by opening up the Instagram app. Make sure you are on the account that you want to delete. You will then have to go to your profile picture in the bottom right. Once you're here, the next step would be for you to go and click the three horizontal lines in top right for Android, in the bottom right for iOS users. Now this menu comes up. You want to click settings at the top. And in order to delete your account, as you can see, there's no option over here. You want to click on help at the bottom here. So help. And then there's report a problem and help center below that. Click help center. Now, as you can see here, how can we help you? What's new? All these questions. But what you want to do is click the three horizontal lines in the top right again. There you go. This opens up this new menu. And in here, you click manage your account just below Instagram features. And as you can see, it says manage your account, and in the center it says delete your account over here. So what you want to do in order to delete your account permanently is click delete your account. Now, as you can see here, when you delete your account, all your likes and stuff will be removed permanently, and you can do temporarily disable or delete your account. So open up the second one, and now you want to scroll down until you see delete your account over here. Click the delete your account button, and as you can see, why do you want to delete your Instagram account? Open this up, this drop down. Let's just say concerned about my data. What you now want to do is re-enter your password over here and then hit delete your account in the bottom, and you will have successfully deleted your Instagram account permanently. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please do like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.